Okay, hello everyone. So today we got a Yamaha FG 800 coming in for a standard setup. Previously when he came in, the setup was a bit high. I don't think it was set up to begin with. On the bass side, on the 12th fret, it was around 3.5. Then on the treble side is slightly below 3.5. After setup, on the treble side is around 1.75, and on the bass side will be 2.25. So there's a lot of material, a lot as in quite some material being taken off from the saddle itself. The neck has been adjusted as well. Previously it has a slight relief. I want it to be a bit more comfortable, so I straighten out the neck even more. Right now it has a very slight relief to clear on the mid region, but yeah, so let's just give it a try. There's no buzzing currently, so yeah. So the other thing, he has been learning songs on the 6-string drop C. I'm gonna just drop the C. Okay, I don't know any songs from drop C. Then I'm just gonna give a sound check. All right. There might be a slight buzzing, but if let's say the buzzing you don't like it, then I will of course adjust the thrust rod a bit more just to clear. But when I tested it, it wasn't so noticeable. I will explain more on the setup part, so you have a better understanding what setup actually is for acoustic guitar. Okay. Okay, down here pretty much is clear. So as you can see, there's not a lot of buzzing. But if it does bother you, then I will just adjust the neck to give a bit more relief. Okay, another thing about setup work is that a lot of people, they ask me, they want as low as it can go but no buzzing. But here's the thing, sometimes it has to complement, the setup need to complement your playing. Some people, there's basically two parts to this: playability and tone. If let's say you want tone, most likely you have to sacrifice a bit of playability. But if you want a bit more playability in terms of, I want a fast action, I want it very low, sometimes you will lose a bit of tone. Then the other thing is about buzzing. Sometimes, most times, when you have a very low action, you want playability. Then of course there might have a bit of buzzing here and there. So you have to consider that. Some people, they are not so they are very tolerant of buzzing because they want playability. So of course it doesn't bother them that much lah. Setup is very personalized. It goes according to your playing style. Some people, they like that snap. Sometimes they play something like, they like to do this, like John Butler trio. Then of course you want to have a very low action that it has that kind of snare drum kind of sound. It contributes to the character of the sound itself. So very different style, of course, different setup. If you want super clean, then of course you have to raise up the action. But when it's too raised up, sometimes it will affect or most times it will affect the intonation itself. So yeah, that's about setup. Depends on your style, and of course how you want it to be, and you have to understand the drawbacks of whether you want playability or you want tone. On very good guitars, upwards of maybe $800, sometimes you can have both. So yeah, but generally speaking, if you want these two, playability and tone, on the lower end of the guitar value, then of course sometimes there will be a trade-off. So yeah, I hope that helps. Guitar is ready. Let me know when you want to pick up. Bye. If you need any of my help with any of the guitar or bass work, you can contact me via WhatsApp 84189951. Hope to see you soon. Bye.